Let's plan the week together. But first, coffee. And a cookie. Let's look at the week in the month at a glance section. Put the events from the week in the month at a glance section into the weekly pages schedule. Look at to-do lists at the past week. Transfer incomplete tasks from the past week into the new week. Mark incomplete tasks from past week with an arrow to show that it was moved further. I have a movie day on Wednesday. I'm using a sticker to mark the time. And adding the task. I use green ink for birthdays. Next, we spread the past week tasks and new tasks to different weekdays. Then, time block daily schedule. Needed to add an extra circle in the tasks section. Let me know in the comments how you plan and what you do differently. Thank you for watching.